What's up? I got another one for you. We're still out in the garage. Little update on a product that I got last year, about a year ago, almost exactly from now, when I got this bike. Thumper Moto Exhaust. I've promoted it a bunch. I've talked about it a bunch. I've showed you a bunch. It's been a year. It's been 4,700 miles-ish. Polished by Perry Polishing here in Lawrenceville, Illinois. See what it looks like. Year, a little bit of polish. Cleaned it up tonight. Told you. It sounds phenomenal. It still looks phenomenal. I've had zero issues with that pipe. It performs. It sounds great. And after my guy polished that bad boy up, it still looks great. So here's what I'm going to tell you. There's tons of markets out there for pipes, from black, chrome, stainless. Hit these guys up. It's a small company. They sound amazing. They're price competitive. And like I said, zero issues. It sounds phenomenal. M8 baggers, they make full length, which I got, and they make mids. Both phenomenal, same quality. Both great pipes. Kind of wish I had a mid, but I do like my full length. He also does twin cam pipes now. You got a bagger twin cam, he can fix you up with that too. So they come raw. They don't come polished, but you can get them polished from them. My guy here in Lawrenceville, Perry Polishing, he hooks them up and does a fantastic job polishing these pipes up for Thumper Moto. I just wanted to do a little update. It's been a year since I've had this pipe. It's been on here numerous times, but you know what? It still looks like the day it was polished. Sounds better with every mile. So no fire up tonight. It's late. I just want to do an update on how it's been for a year. We'll do one more look at it and we'll call it a night. Woo-wee. Good and shiny, but it does have that bronze tint to it from the heat, which you'll get. But I'll tell you what, it's shiny. And even with boot scuffs and pant legs and other stuff getting on it, it cleans right up. ThumperMoto, can't go wrong. Y'all have a good one. Have a good night.